Let's be real. There's always that one guy in class, the one everyone looks up to. Teachers love him, classmates admire him, and he somehow manages to be good at everything. Now here's the question. Why can't that guy be you? If you've ever wondered how to stand out without being a show-off, stay tuned, because today I'm giving you the blueprint to become the most respected, admired, and unstoppable person in your class. And don't worry, it's not about being the smartest or the most popular. It's about using simple, practical strategies that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make 2025 your year to shine. And if you're thinking, do I really have what it takes to be that guy? You absolutely do. Just don't skip ahead, or you'll miss the secrets that actually work. Tip 1, master the 3 C's: confidence, communication, and curiosity. Confidence isn't about being loud or cocky. It's about believing in yourself. Stand tall, speak clearly, and don't shy away from challenges. Communication is your superpower. Listen actively, ask questions, and learn to explain ideas in a way that everyone gets. Curiosity makes you stand out. Be the one who's genuinely interested in learning, not just scoring marks. Think of curiosity as your secret weapon. Remember that one kid who always had an answer ready and even asked thoughtful questions? That could be you. It's not magic, it's mindset. Tip 2, be the go-to problem solver. Every class has problems, group projects, last-minute assignments, or even small conflicts. If you become the person who steps up and solves them, people will naturally gravitate towards you. Start small. Offer to help a struggling classmate or take the lead in organizing study sessions. Use tools like Notion or Google Calendar to keep track of deadlines. Being organized makes you reliable, and reliability equals respect. Quick question, when was the last time you took charge of something? If you can't remember, it's time to change that. Don't just blend in, step up. Tip 3, build strategic relationships. Here's a fact. Who you surround yourself with shapes who you become. Want to level up? Start hanging out with people who inspire you, whether they're hardworking classmates or even that one teacher who always gives great advice. But here's the key. Don't be fake, be genuine, and offer value in return. If you're always there to support others, you'll naturally attract the right kind of people. And speaking of relationships, there's one secret about networking in class that most people completely overlook. I'll share it in just a moment. But first, let's talk about Tip 4, upgrade your study game with modern tools. In 2025, you can't ignore technology. Use apps like Anki for flashcards, Notion for planning, and Grammarly to make your assignments flawless. But don't stop there. AI tools like ChatGPT can help you understand tough concepts or even draft essay outlines. The point is, work smarter, not harder. While others are buried in textbooks, you'll be 5 steps ahead with more time to relax or work on other skills. Success is where preparation meets opportunity. With the right tools, you're preparing yourself to seize every opportunity. Tip 6, take care of your health. Here's a game changer. School and grades matter, but if you're not healthy, you won't perform at your best. Exercise, eat right, and get enough sleep. Your body and mind are connected, so when one's off, the other suffers. Just 20 minutes of exercise a day can boost your energy and focus. Remember those days when you were tired or off? Your performance dropped, right? That's because health isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. When's the last time you took 5 minutes to stretch or walked around? Small actions make a big difference. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Good health is the foundation for success. When you feel great, you do great things. Start making small changes today, like getting enough sleep or stretching every hour. Your health impacts your success, so make it a priority. Tip 5, be unapologetically yourself. This might sound cliche, but authenticity is your greatest asset. People respect those who are true to themselves. Stop comparing yourself to others. It's your journey. Focus on improving by 1% every day and watch how people start noticing your growth. Seriously, no one likes a copycat, so unless you're preparing for an acting career, stick to being you. Now let me leave you with this. Becoming that guy isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent, reliable, and genuinely interested in improving yourself and helping others. So here's the deal. Start with one of these tips today. Whether it's improving your communication, organizing your schedule, or just being more curious in class. And remember, it's not about where you start, it's about where you're headed. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more. If you want to unlock even more secrets to success, check out my next video on the secrets to be successful. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. See you there.